My name is Benjamin Frank Vaughan. I'm a composer, performer, workshop leader and private tutor, and I work from home in Cardiff. When I decided, right, okay, I'm leaving college now, what on earth am I going to do? I thought, well, why not start up my own business? I thought it'd be a great idea. I could do what I want to do. I can make money doing what I love, and I can use all my skills in the way that I feel like they need to be used. When I first found out about the schemes the Welsh Government offered, I was thrilled. I phoned them up and I said, right, I'm just going to start up a business. Can you help me? And they said, great, yeah, we can give you 5 to 7 free workshops. Well, okay, great, fabulous. Right, so obviously I went straight down there, and during that week I learned so much about business. It really opened my mind to what it actually entails starting up a business, which was scary. After those workshops finished, and we were all raring to go, we were all ready to start up a business, there was the one-to-one tuition, which was incredibly helpful to me. Me and my one-to-one tutor went through sort of our business plan. How do I go about marketing? How do I go about market research? How do I go about actually putting it all together in one neat package? And eventually we had a foolproof business plan, which we sent off to apply for the Young Entrepreneurs Bursary. My one-to-one tutor really helped me along with applying for it. She sent off all the forms. She was the sort of negotiator between the Welsh Government and me, and it was a very, very simple process. That meant that it could cover me for my sort of designing the website, putting together all the workshops and those like crucial sort of winter months and going into sort of January, February. It meant that I could do quite a lot of market research, marketing. I could get lots of leaflets out there, lots of things like that out there, which really helped build up my network, which was crucial to getting my business started up. I don't think it would have got up to the point it is today without actually having that in place. It's incredibly crucial when you're starting up a business to make sure you know what you want to do, make sure you do your market research, make sure you know exactly what your forecasts are going to be for the next few months. And without actually doing the workshops, without having that one-to-one tuition, I don't think I'd have been anywhere near where I've got to now today. It's amazing how you can see your dreams almost becoming a reality after all the support you get, after all the work you've put in. I'm actually getting finances coming in. This is actually happening. And I can see in the future the business taking off into the place where I want to see it. And more the dream than anything for me is having people to listen to my music, people to enjoy listening to my music, and people enjoy playing my music. And even though it's quite a simple dream, really, that's always the most rewarding for me out of everything, really.